In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Acuity scheduling appointment in just a few minutes. Whether you found a more convenient time or you no longer need the appointment, cancelling it efficiently is key to maintaining your schedule and avoiding unnecessary charges. Let's dive right into the process. First, head over to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where you'll initiate the cancellation process, so make sure you're in a place where you can safely log into your account. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page, but it can vary depending on updates to the website. Clicking this will take you to the next step. After clicking Login, the next screen will prompt you to enter your email address. Take your time to input your email, ensuring it's the correct one associated with your Acuity account. Mistakes here can lead to a delay in the process, so it's always good to double check. Once your email is entered, click on Next to proceed. You're moving through the steps now and are getting closer to managing your appointments. The following screen will show an option, Continue with Google. This option allows for a smoother login process by using your Google account credentials, which is especially handy if your Acuity account is linked to Google. Clicking on Continue with Google will prompt you to select your Google account. You'll likely see a list of any Google accounts you're currently signed into, or you may need to sign in if you're not already. Pick the account linked to your Acuity scheduling profile. After successfully logging in through Google, it's time to navigate to your calendar where all your appointments are displayed. This is where the action happens. To find your calendar, look for a link similar to Go to Calendar. This directs you to an overview of all scheduled appointments you have lined up. Upon accessing your calendar, locate the appointment you wish to cancel. Appointments are typically listed by date and time, so it should be straightforward to find the one in question. If you're having trouble, remember to utilize any filtering options available to narrow down your search results. When you've found the right appointment, you're going to click on it. This action opens the details of that appointment, providing you with options for rescheduling, editing, or cancelling. Your final steps involve cancelling the appointment. Look for a button or link that says Cancel. It's crucial to carefully read through any confirmation messages or pop-ups that appear during this process. These often contain important information about cancellation policies or potential fees. After reviewing, proceed to confirm the cancellation by selecting Cancel Appointment. Following these steps not only frees up your schedule, but also potentially makes the time slot available for someone else in need. Keep an eye out for a confirmation email or notification from Acuity Scheduling acknowledging your cancellation. This is your proof that the appointment has been successfully cancelled. Let's quickly talk about a few extra tips to ensure everything goes smoothly. Always remember to cancel as early as possible. This courteous practice can help service providers manage their schedules more effectively. Secondly, if you're cancelling because you need a different time, consider rescheduling rather than cancelling outright. Acuity Scheduling offers straightforward rescheduling options that may save you from having to go through the booking process again. Lastly, if you run into any issues during the cancellation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Acuity Scheduling's customer support. They're there to help and can guide you through any additional steps if necessary. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel an appointment on Acuity Scheduling efficiently. Whether you're managing a busy schedule or simply need to make a change, understanding how to navigate and utilize these features can save you time and hassle. Remember, keeping your commitments organized and up to date is key to maintaining balance in your busy life. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more straightforward tips and how-tos. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.